How are you? This sentence, how do you say in Armenian language? Please share me.
Дурик.
Please.
Ты немножко дурик. Чуть-чуть.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Здравствуйте, что мы в Батле?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Германия.
Are you from UK?
Германия.
Armenia. Armenia.
Германия.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Just I am from Bangladesh. Basically, what time is it now in?
Я тебя не понимаю.
What time is it now in Armenia?
Да, Миджи.
Okay, just here in our country, Bangladesh, 6:36 a.m. early in the morning. Can you speak English? Can you speak English fluent?
No.
Okay. Basically, how old are you at present?
Що ти пишеш? Що ти мені ліпиш? Я тебе що понімаю?
Pinimayo. What do you mean by Pinimayo in English?
Ти дурик?
Please,
Ты немножко дурик? Чуть-чуть. Совсем чуть-чуть.
please listen.
Совсем чуть-чуть ты дурик.
How are you? How are you? This sentence, how do you say in Armenian language? Please share me. How are you?
Грузия.
Gruzia.
Грузия.
Gruzia and Bengali language, তুমি কেমন আছো?
Арарис Эбица. Слышно?
Bengali language.
Арарис Эбица. А в Хачапури Джобия пиццас. Но так фацхат гац моди даица. Рота марчеба квела мерич when David Scott Escartule disco.
Can you sing a song? Sweet song? Can you sing a sweet song?
Solo.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, really?
Basically,
Yes.
are you housewife or a student at present? Housewife.
Як ти дохуя базариш? Як це вже заїбав, блядь?
Housewife.
Чому ти?
Actually, I don't understand your mother tongue, Armenian. Please try to speak English, and also it is spoken
So.
little bit.
Armenia, Russian, Ukraine, so English.
Just what is your full name? Your full name.
Я тобі виключити мікрофон.
Name.
Заїбав. Та що на молоко, типу.
Why have you muted me?
Типу, то що на молоко.
Why have you muted me? Or did I have followed you?
So. Really? Yes,
Follow.
really.
Follow me.
So.
Follow me.
So, really. I'm glad to see you. Oh.
Would you like to visit our beautiful country, Bangladesh?
Your life.
Yeah?
You live?
I'm from Bangladesh. Bangladesh.
Where did you study? I'm studying.
Bangladesh.
So much to see you. Yes.
Just you can speak.
No,
You can speak English. You can speak English easily. It is simple. Really.
Сейчас я выключу.
Oh.
Very, so much.
Especially, how do you spend your
Special.
How do you spend your free time? Free time. How do you pass your free time?
So much. Thank you. Speak, my friend. Yes.
Follow me. Instant follow me.
Follow me. So much. Goodbye.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Goodbye.
Okay.